This is the evolution of the sulfur shell fungi, also called Laetiporus sulphureus. Okay, so this is the taxonomy of my organism. It's part of the kingdom fungi. Its phylum is Basidiomycota. The class is Agaricomycetes. The order is Polyparalis. The family is Polyparaceae. The genus is Laetiporus, and its species is Sulphureus. So this is the kingdom cladogram. So it starts out with the archaea, then there's the nucleus, and then after that there's the bacteria. The next feature that it has on the cladogram is that the organism is multicellular, which is where the organism that I have falls under. So then it splits between fungi and plantae. So the difference between the two is that one has chitin in the cell wall and the other has cellulose. So the sulfur shell fungi has chitin in its cell walls, so it belongs in the fungi kingdom. Okay. So this is the phylum Cladogram. So it starts out with the entire phylum. It has the cell walls with chitin, and then so next there's the next feature is that there's only sexual reproduction, and so that is where the my organism falls under the Basidiomycota. Okay. So close relatives of the sulfur shell fungi are these three: the Laetiporus portentosus, Laetiporus gilbertsoni, and the Laetiporus conifericola. So these are three close relatives, and these are all also part of the same genus. So interesting adaptations of the sulfur shell fungi. So one reproductive adaptation of the sulfur shell fungi is that when it's ready to reproduce, its mycelium produces reproductive structures which are called brackets, and then the spores are produced in the pores on the undersides, and then they're released to begin new mycelia. Okay, another adaptation of the sulfur shell fungi is digestive adaptation, which is where the oxidative and the hydrolytic enzymatic systems of the sulfur shell fungi allow the organism to break down cellulose into simple sugars. Okay. So this is adaptations continued. So another adaptation is phototropism, which allows the organism to sense light and grow towards it. Another adaptation that the sulfur shell fungi has is the photomorphogenesis, which sends up fruiting bodies in response to light. So this is the global distribution of the sulfur shell fungi. So it's found in the United States, in the Midwest states, and also east of the Rocky Mountains. Okay. So the habitat of the sulfur shell fungi is that it grows on the base of hardwood trees, and it also grows on the stumps, logs, and trunks of dead or dying deciduous trees. So this is the food web. This is where the sulfur shell fungi is. So it grows on the oak trees. So from the oak tree, the red fox eats the acorns from the oak trees. And then also from the oak tree, the milkweed tussock caterpillars eats the leaves on the oak tree. And then the white-footed mouse eats the caterpillar. The coyote eats the white-footed mouse, and then there's the humans. Also, the humans eat the sulfur shell fungi, which decay the oak trees. And so this is the food web. So this is the fossil record of the sulfur shell fungi. So the oldest direct fossil record of Basidiomycota is the Botripteris antiqua, which is estimated to be about 500 million years old, and also estimated to be from the Paleozoic era. Okay. And this is my bibliography.